Hi, boys and girls. This is Mr. Babcock. We are going to take the quiz for Unit 7, Lesson 3. Remember, you can pause this video at any time by hitting the space bar and replay it by hitting the space bar again. All right, good luck. What are conductors and insulators? Number 1. Maxwell is going to stir some soup he is cooking in a pot. The soup is very hot. He wants to use a spoon that will keep his hand from getting too hot. Differentiate between conductors and insulators in the list below. Which material should he use? A. Aluminum, B. Copper, C. Steel, or D. Wood. So he doesn't want to burn his hand. Which one should he use? Number 2. Carissa is planning to take a hot sandwich to school for lunch. She wants to wrap it in something to keep it warm. If she correctly differentiates between insulators and conductors, which wrap will she choose? A. Foam wrap, B. Plastic wrap, C. Wax paper, or D. Aluminum foil. So which one's going to keep her sandwich warm the longest? Number 3. Jeffrey is making a poster about conductors and insulators. Which of these objects should he list as a conductor? A. A rubber eraser, B. A aluminum can, C. A plastic straw, or D. A wooden pencil. Number 4. Mr. Jacobson is watching some builders while they put up walls of a house. He notices there is a small space between the outer and inner walls of the house. Differentiate between conductors and insulators. Which of the following will the builders most likely use as an insulator between the outer and inner walls? A. Plastic foam, B. Layers of wood, C. Shredded paper, or D. Thick aluminum. Number 5. Lenora is going outside to play on a cold winter day. Which feature of her winter coat will insulate her from the cold? A. It is lightweight, B. It has fur at the edges, C. It is thick and fluffy, or D. It has a single layer of cloth. All right, when you're done with that, go ahead and turn it over. We're going to do the brain check. So here are the directions. Use the clues to help you write the correct word in each row. Some boxes have been filled in for you. And there will be a word bank you can choose words from. Okay, A. Some of them have 2 panes of glass. So you would write that answer in A. B. It can be blown inside walls. C. It slows the transfer of heat. D. It's the opposite of answer C. E. The silver layer of an insulated bottle does this to radiated heat. F. Because of the natural insulation, it is often the coolest part of the house. G. It's an excellent conductor. H. It does not conduct as well as metals do. And I. It makes conduction and convection impossible. All right, thank you and good luck.